guys, it's Kayla from Pumps and Pouts. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying a few new products from MAKIAGE. It's a really awesome new makeup brand that I found not too long ago. So I'm really excited to try a lot of their products. You will get to see how I make this beautiful teal eye here. And let's jump right into it. Stay tuned if you want to check out how I create this look. First off, we're going to start off with our brows. I'm going to start off with the MAKIAGE Brow Factor Brow Gel.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around.
Then I'm just going to go back under and kind of clean up underneath my brows just a little bit. Now I'm going to just prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Potion Primer. Alright, so let's start on my eyes. I'm going to be using the Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad. So first I'm going to be taking this shade here, Lush Light, and I'm going to apply this pretty much all over my lid and also into my crease area. And then I'm going to take this shade here, Own It, and go around in my crease area and the outer corners of my eye. Now I'm going to take the Color Boss Single Eyeshadow in Limited Edition and apply that onto my lid. Now I'm going to take the MAKIAGE Blackout Gel Liner and line my lids, give myself a nice little cat eye. Alright, so now that eyeliner, eyeshadow's done, I'm going to apply some mascara and put some lashes on. I'm going to use the MAKIAGE Icon Mascara here, and then I am going to apply their false lashes, and these are in number 12. Alright, so now that my eyes are all finished, we're going to go ahead and jump into our face. And I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. So now for foundation, I'm going to use the MAKIAGE Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. And this is in shade 230. Alright, so foundation's all done. We can go ahead and jump into contour and highlight our face. So I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Cool Foundation Stick here. And this is in Cool Earth. And I'm going to contour my face with that. Okay, so now I'm going to add some concealer, and I'm going to use the MAKIAGE BFF Longwear Perfecting Concealer. Disagreed, don't tell me. Now you in infinity, we 98. Trust that he be good. Okay, so now I'm going to set under my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder, and this is in shade Honey. Now that I have that on, I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm going to use the Mineral Baked Blush in Toxic. Okay, so time for some highlight. We are going to add the Mineral Baked Highlighter in Material Girl. Okay, so last steps, I'm going to set my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply a lip color. For my lip, I'm going to apply this waterproof lip liner in Coffee all over my lip. And I'm just going to go back over it with a clear gloss. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial here. It's just a very quick, simple, easy, fun summer eye you can do, full of bright colors. You guys have seen a lot of bright colors on my feed lately. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you love it, please subscribe to my channel. You can always catch me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Pumps and Pouts. Make sure you stop by the blog. There's plenty of new content on there as well. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!